my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, welcome to Nella at Home. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I've decorated this beautiful living room / dining room. Now, I'm not 100% done decorating. I just want to share with you guys what I have completed so far. So without further ado, my beautiful people, let's get this video popping. So, we're going to start with adding pieces to the walls. Before Pier Import went out of business last year, I purchased this mid-sized clock for the dining room to reflect my client's taste and bring a little character into the room. Alright guys, I had to put the camera down to assist them in putting the clock on the wall. Next, I got this wall art from American Signature. I went with this artwork because I wanted to inject a little energy with a pop of color and not make it too neutral. And I believe a little burst of orange did the job. Okay, they just brought in the credenza. We got this credenza from Rooms to Go. On camera, the credenza looks like a charcoal gray and black, but the color is taupe, and the cabinet doors are charcoal. Because I was hindering the guys from performing their job, I could not record every little detail as they bring in the furniture. So the next clip, the furniture pieces will be in their place, and I'm adding accent pieces and straighten them up. Later in the video, I will point out where I got the items from and why I chose these pieces.
Sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back. If you are not with me, hey, I don't wanna go back.
Alright beauts, we're 90% done with this dining room. We still have some more work to do, but I also got some more shopping to do, and we'll finish it in another video. In the meantime, I will show you guys what I have completed, point out where I got these accent pieces and what I need to complete this room. You will have thought the credenza and the dining table came as a set, but they did not. We got the credenza from Rooms to Go and the dining table from City Furniture. I am just amazed at how well it ties in together. I got these vases from Wells M. The centerpiece bowl, along with the decorative balls and the wooded lantern, came from Pier 1 Import. I was striving for something simple and not overcrowd the table with random items. So on the dining table, I had 3 clear vases with faux plants in them. The artificial plant did not come with the vase. I just integrated these two to get the look I was aiming for. I got both items from Michael's. Side note, if you ever go to Michael's and you feel like the prices are ridiculous high, Google Michael's coupons and promo codes and you will receive a 20% off coupon. The only thing we're missing to complete this room is a table runner, an area rug, and drapes. So let's move on to the living room. Everything in this room came from Rooms to Go except for the wall art and the pillows. We got the wall art from American Signature. To complete this room, we need an area rug and some drapes. On the coffee table, we have this large gold bowl filled with reindeer moss. I need to add some more reindeer moss. The pillows did not come with the couch. We got them from Pier 1 Import. The color of the pillows are ivory and the lining, the stitches are gray. By the door, we have this faux plant I purchased from Home Goods. Next to it, we have this entry table. It is a matching set of the living room tables. I got the mirror from El Dorado. The accent pieces came from At Home. I want to add another item to this table, but I'm not sure what I want to add. If you have any suggestions, comment below. All right, this is one of my favorite pieces. This faux tree branch adds a wonderful height to the room and it stands out. I brought this tree from El Dorado. All right, my beautiful people. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your fellow mates. And don't be a hater and thumbs this video up. Until next time, my beautiful peeps. Peace out.